Oh, how'd I call it?
How'd I call it? Edit that out.
Yeah, we don't need no freaking.
All right, here we go.
In the truck, 10 of my buddies are already drunk. We don't go nowhere that doesn't have liquor and cigarettes. Ride a mechanical boats in the club. We like a hunt. We with a gun. Come back tomorrow, we covered in blood with a bucket of guts. We all tough for the when we pop in the clutch, we ain't stuck in the mud. I'm the white boy with the baseball bat, bunch of face tattoos and a NASCAR hat in a backyard like strap yard. Got a glass jar full of tobacco that's blacker than asphalt. Rolling with hundreds of crackers who acting like animals. They cannot handle their alcohol. We the white boys from the backwoods in the battles in the trailer park trash that pack guns. When I was younger, they taught me to struggle and hustle like 200 bikers, and they were my brothers. We coming from blood and you wanna recover. Addicted to drugs in the gutter and drunker than anyone. Leaving the club, we go dumber than dust. We got mullets and butters and multiple gunners that coming in Hummers. You under the rubber, you'll never recover.
Yeah.
Chain smoking, my lungs hurt, my neck red got some nerves, bumping Eminem, we all know it works. Bunch of white boys flipping heaven.
No, dude, he looks so miserable. Right there, he looks alright.
He looks comfortable there.
Don't care who's fighting. You don't want to trip on the kids of Vikings. Ammo and mullets and cowboy hats out in public. Got ammo stashed at my cousins and cash in
Shorts are way
addicts and
too short
covered.
on
They
deck.
all listen, we don't listen. Can't hear.